Hello everyone, welcome back. And next topic in CSS grid, use grid row to control spacing. Of course, you can make items consume multiple rows just like you can with columns. You define the horizontal line you want an item to start and stop at using the grid row property on grid item. So the task for this challenge, make the element with the item 5 class consume the last two rows. So what we have to do is make the item 5 consume the last two rows. So for that, from grid row from 2 to 4, and that stretch the grid row from line 2 to 4. So run the before running the test, let's see the test cases. Item 5 class should have grid row property. Item 5 has grid row property. Item 5 class should have grid row property, which results in its consuming the last two rows of grid. Okay, both condition are satisfied, so the run the test and it's successful. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.